The 18 best Instagram accounts for color inspiration. A color story is first up on our list. This is actually the page of the eponymous photo editing app. So, naturally, the Insta features their users' best images. This beautiful shot of a flamingo is by the photographer at Michelle__McGrady. Gorgeous, right? We love the bright, contrasting hues. You can't help but feel happier after scrolling through Jen and Court's Insta. Not only is their friendship super cute, but their page is bright and inviting. You can definitely find inspiration for color in every single photograph. Have you ever seen a cuter living room? Neither have we. The pretty pastels with pops of bright blue are inviting and give the room a homey but eclectic vibe. The rest of Sophie's Instagram is equally as beautiful, inspiring, and perfectly colorful. Teba's account proves that minimalist color schemes can also make a huge impact. The photography is a delicate balance of simplicity and candy-colored palettes. Color can be found in the most inconspicuous places, and this account proves just that. A big part of Sam's life is color, and this is apparent in her grid. It's in her home, her dessert creations, clothing, and more. She said it's a way to make her feel empowered and to express herself. You'll definitely want to add more color to your life after looking at her page. Kara injects the rainbow into all of her DIY projects. Whether she's whipping up a batch of cookies, decorating Easter eggs, or painting plant pots, streaks of color always follow. You'll be inspired by her creative ideas and enjoy her saturated feed. Kelly Mindle's account is the ultimate eye candy. She shares her home renovations, DIY projects, and adorable little family all in the form of photos laden with bright, poppy colors. Whether she's redecorating her nursery or running around Disney, she always manages to find the brightest hues. Courtney knows how to take any color and make it work. Her outfits are always oozing with different shades, and even her travels reflect a rainbow theme. You'll get plenty of fresh ways to jazz up your home, wardrobe, and adventures after pulling color inspiration from her. Although the colors Erin curates on her feed are worth drooling over, there's something to be said for the shapes, patterns, and tessellations of the colors she captures. You'll have a hard time looking away from this kaleidoscopic account. For those of you who love a good dose of color, but prefer a mix of both toned-down pastels and zesty hues, Joy's account is a must-follow. Her pictures are filled to the brim with playful palettes. She also runs a shop, at Oh Joy Co., where you can peruse through a selection of adorable, colorful items. This account is all about viewing the world through rose-colored glasses, wandering around new places, and finding beauty in every angle. Each photo is a true celebration of color, and you'll feel the urge to chase the rainbow after scrolling through. Jennifer's Instagram is full of style and color inspo. Based in Chicago, Jennifer is the voice behind the blog, The Style Charade. She finds inspiration in fashion, beauty, and a killer backdrop. Just look at that mural. Her color coordination is pretty much perfect. Rosie's account is a breath of fresh air and vibrancy. Strolling through the streets of Chicago, she's always on the hunt for the perfect hue. Her Instagram is bound to help you find shades you've never even thought of combining, as well as some wonderful fashion tips. Los Angeles-based photographer Andrew Cutler fills his page with interesting vantage points and beautiful color combinations. His photography invites you to view things in a way you haven't considered before and is bound to inspire new ways of thinking. Get ready for interesting design, killer color, and fun vibes with Julia's Insta. Her page is fresh and visually stunning. You can't help but want to try and be a little more quirky and fun after scrolling through. Holly Fox is a color lover, sugar baker, and graphic designer. Her Insta is sweet, pun intended, and full of brighter-than-life color. You will find stunning color schemes in every photograph and work up an appetite from scrolling through her confections. Sin lives by the motto that the world is full of color, and she's right. As her Insta handle suggests, this page has plenty of fruity hues. After viewing her pictures, you will definitely want to add more brightness to your life. Vibrant is the name of the game for Carrie. This page is totally attention-grabbing with its hot pinks, radiant greens, and bright blues. Her page is all about colorful places and pretty spaces, and is a true testament to the fact that you can find inspiration pretty much anywhere. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.